we give you Say Rowa!
Medyo pagawin akong tingog. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Nagang salamat kayo for having me here. Naku ba energy? Sino dito yung mga nagtitiktok? Nagtitiktok kayo? TikTok ka bro. Let's go!
You're my dream girl. If I was gold, now you make me start to lie. And I don't know what I did to get like this, but it sure feels fine. You got me good for the night. I get it right.
Guys, ready for this? Doobie-doobie-doobie. Grabe, ano? Pati yung dati, alam nyo din.
Dati pa
Oy!
wala. Siguro dito eh.
Alright. Ay. Kasi kasama dati na tayo nag-relapse na naman kayo. May nakita ko kanina. Sir John Roa, gusto kita makaduet yung kanta mo na Ops lang ako. Kung Ops lang ba? Yes, ma'am. Please. Yes, sir. Ano ba ang voice? Oh, Sito! palapakan naman natin si Tom, guys! Tom! Muna sa next lang. Alright, sino dito mga nag-relapse? Grabe, 2025 na! Broken hearted, yapon mo! Ikaw bro, anong karahan ka sa Hawks lang? Broken hearted ka din? Sino ang nag... Broken hearted si Tom, guys. Anong broken hearted ka bro?
Sige lang.
Sorry bro?
Mahabang kwento.
Mahabang kwento? Ganyan, mga ayaw magkwento, mahabang kwento. Sige bro, you wanna sing together? You wanna sing together? Let's up. Guys, you guys ready? Here we go. 2, 3. Sana to ito di ko na kasi hinahanap ang sagot sa akin. Hindi ko na kasi alam. Di ka na iwan at ano. Guys, give it up again for Tom. Tom, bro, you inspire me, man. Salamat kayo, bro. That was beautiful, man. Guys, wait lang. I'm a little sad lang naman ng konti kasi I'm not in my 100% condition now performing for you guys. Pero daghan kayong salamat sa inyo for bearing with me. Daghan kayong salamat, but you know, that moment to, wala binuang, that was very beautiful because pwede ka mo storya ninyo gamay lang? Okay lang mo share gamay sa inyo, ha? Nakamantay time, no? Alright. After any, umuli na, like, gabi na, ha? But anyways, guys, again, let me have your attention just a little bit. I want to congratulate and I want to say kudos sa tanan na itong mga young athletes karon na naadre. Palapakan tayo, guys. Thank you sa inyong heart. Thank you sa dedication. Thank you sa passion ug love sa gift na ihatag sa Ginoo sa inyo, ha. You know, that's why that moment inspired me. Tom, thank you sa bravery. Salamat kayo sa i-share naman the moment with me. No, it didn't stop him having a condition. He was passionate because he loves music. You guys are passionate because you love what you do. And you know, guys, I want to tell you something. The reason why I'm here, I'm standing in front of you because I didn't give up on the thing that I love. I didn't give up on music, and you guys didn't give up on me. Kaya nagan kayo salamat, but here's one thing, and I'm gonna share to you. It's a little quick lang. No, in this life of being a musician, I've experienced everything. The fame, the money, everything. It's fun, the success, it's good. But I want to tell you guys, before I sing my next song, the money, fame, and success will only do so much in your life, but it will never fulfill you. It's your passion, it's your heart to serve others, to serve your family, and the gift that God has given you in your life. And I want to remind you, na kung you feel down, you feel depressed, you feel alone, always remember na sa kanyang kinabuhi, na daga ng pasikot-sikot o liwak, daga ng problema, may parati kang kasama sa biyahe mo! Nakalala si Jesus and He loves you very, very much. And this song is His song to you. And His love song to me. So if you guys know this song, sing along, alright? Wala nang iba, wala akong ibigay ng buo. Ang puso ko sa'yo lang malagay, kaya humawak sa aking kamay. Hanggang ibigay lahat ng naisip ko para sa aking paglalakbay. Ang iyong kamay sa aking ibigay, hindi bibitaw at saan man mapunta ang biyahe natin. Say, nating dalawa. Now this part, imagine God saying this to you. I don't need the music, just listen to this. At kahit ano man ang mangyari, ako'y katabi mo lang palagi. Basta't magtiwala lang sa akin, huwag mong bitawan ang kapit mo. Sa aking kamay, handang ibigay lahat ng naisip mo para sa aking paglalakbay. Ang iyong kamay sa aking ibigay, hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta ang biyahe nating dalawa. Nating dalawa. Hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta ang biyahe nating dalawa. Jason Maguila! Walang makakapigil sa atin, Jensen. Batang Pinoy, walang makakapigil sa atin. In our dreams, in everything that we do, walang makakapigil sa atin. Picture tayo. Habang inaayos sila, picture mo tayo. Okay. Balik ako, I just wanna take this time. I just wanna take this time, no? Jensen, nag-enjoy po kayo? Have you guys enjoyed this week? Excited naman sa Batang Pinoy Bacolod? Alright. Guys, right, before anything else, I just want to take this time, of course, to thank you guys again. Again kayong salamat. Jensen, again salamat sa inyong painit na magtanggap. Batang Pinoy. Again guys, let's give ourselves a round of applause. And of course, I want to take this time also to mention and to thank ESC Chairman John Patrick C. Gregorio. Chairman, salamat. Maraming salamat po. You're such an inspiration. Jensen! Pwede ko bang marinig ang pinakamalakas na siko? Bago may last song, pwede ba ako mag-crowd check? Crowd check kami? Okay lang mo mag-crowd check tayo. Sino yung pinakamalakas? You guys ready? Let's go! Kita makita, ilihan mo na ang aking mga mata. Dahan-dahan na nahulog, hindi ko na malayan na ikaw pala ang manalo na hininasan. I'm falling in love with you. Girl, I just can't stop thinking about you. Ikaw ang laging sigaw ng puso ito. Kaya sabi ko, God bless you. Have a great night. I'll be back. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, palakpakan po natin Jay Roa!
Wow! Grabe!
The capital of the Philippines, General Santa City. We thank you for being part of this history-making event.
We'll see you next year.